In this video, I will teach you how to unhide all the columns or the rows in this table. Rows 4, rows 6, and rows 8, 9, 10 was unhide. So how to unhide them? So select row 4, move your mouse to the row number 2. So hold on, select here, and release right click. Here is unhide. Click here. All those was here. So when I how to unhide column D, select here unhide. Yeah. If the all rows was hide, and how to release them. Move your mouse to the left here. Then the mouse will be this simple, and hold your left mouse and here, and yeah, you will see all the colors, all the rows was unhide. And also, if how to hide all columns, click 1 and A and 1 here, and right click here, hide. All the colors was hide. So also move your mouse to the here, then drop it. Let's go here. All the colors was unhide.